We encourage our patients to avoid contact lens during this time. I am Dr. Mamta Mittal. I am an ophthalmologist in Mediclinic, posted in Wellcare Hospital and Mediclinic Dera, City Center Clinic. All mucosas are susceptible to COVID, so eye is not spared. So it's better to take precautions unless it is proved. COVID can infect eyes by the aerosol if somebody sneezes or coughs around you and if he is COVID positive. So better not to take chances and keep yourself safe. Pink eye is a symptom of COVID-19. If you are a COVID positive patient and you encounter pink eye, you can say in the last 2-3 months, only one doctor has encountered pink eye as a primary symptom, and then he eventually turned out to be COVID positive. So we don't say that pink eye is a COVID symptom. Okay, any pink eye can be caused by viral infections like flu. Okay, it is a part of that. But if you are having respiratory distress, cough, fever, and other symptoms in this period, so we will not rule out COVID. We will have to test you for COVID. Okay, and we will consider pink eye to be a part of COVID unless proved otherwise. See, when you wear contact lenses, your mucosa is exposed to the atmosphere, which is, glasses give you barrier to the aerosol. Okay, so they give you little protection, even though from the sides COVID can enter, but still it is better than contact lens during this period. So we encourage our patients to avoid contact lens during this time and keep themselves safe by wearing glasses. Main thing is protect yourself from COVID, keep social distancing, avoid hand-eye, hand-mouth touch, as has been always publicized in the media also, and you have to take due precautions because, as I said, any mucosa can be affected by COVID. COVID will not see whether it is eye, mouth, nose. It can go anywhere, wherever it will find suitable to enter. So protect yourself, keep social distancing, use barriers, as I already mentioned, glasses, masks, and wash your hands regularly. Avoid hospital visits during this time. Keep yourself away from COVID positive patients. So these are all the measures by which you can protect yourself from COVID infections. We are not encouraging that practice at the moment for the routine checkups, but we always tell our patients to report to us if there is any emergency. For example, if there is pain, severe redness in the eye, any injury, or glaucoma attack, if they are pre-existing glaucoma patients, then they are supposed to report to us and we are giving them appointments. We are not doing routine clinics. We go there to attend the clinic only for those patients. For the routine patients, teleconsultations are available. We are prescribing the medicines online, giving them the ERX number so that patient can buy the medicine from anywhere in Dubai close to their house, especially less than 10 years and above 60 years. Absolute no, unless there is severe emergency.